Hi, I'm Bob Kotick. I'm the CEO of ActivisionBlizzard. Unfortunately, the rumors and allegations of sexual misconduct in my company are all true. I am the CEO of ActivisionBlizzard. That means I am responsible for everything that happens in my company. Everything. Moving forward, I am going to fix a lot of these problems. I cannot stop every instance of sexual misconduct that happens in my company, but you can rest assured every instance that comes to my attention will be taken care of to the best of my ability and to the fullest extent of the law. I am going to fix these problems. I am going to hold people responsible for these issues that have arisen. I am working with investigators. I am working with the police. And a lot of the victims will be taken care of. They will not have to worry about lawyer fees, court costs, or anything of that nature. They will be taken care of from one end alone. There are going to be big changes in my company. This is not acceptable. This is not representative of my company and how I believe it should be run. And these are going to be changes to our policy that my team is currently developing. We need to be the forefront of ethics in our community, not just as a game developer, but as a business and a major component to our industry. You can have my word that nothing like this will happen again and go unpunished. It's not going to be years later. It's not going to be days later. Everything will be documented, recorded. Nothing will go on in this building without my notice directly. You can take me at my word. This problem will never happen again.